I'm on page 205 of the geography book and we're looking at the functions of town. So this ties up with, it's the next page, the map work. What is the function of Arklow town? So the likes of the motorway, that's what the blue is, and you'll see that when you have the key beside you. The key is, okay, you get this on the back of the map. So the blue will tell you there that it's a motorway, okay? So it's a transport function. This here, okay, well, any town has a transport function. And what are the symbols on the map that will tell you that? So, say for example, okay, I'll go up at the start. The market, a road network leading to the town, a town square, street names. A defence. In the past, towns would have had a defence, and the castle, a moated site, or a town wall will tell you that. Okay, the important ones are the next one, religious. Every town today has a religious function because every town will have a church in it. But in the past, the likes of a monastery around to or an abbey will tell us that that there was a religious function to the town. A port. Towns can grow up around a place where ships dock. A port or boating activities. Now, boating activities are seen here with the boat. So that will tell you that symbol, and you can see it there in Arklow. So the function of Arklow town is that of a boating or a port because of the boating facilities. That's an important one. So in the past it would have been defence, religious definitely, port, industrial. If there is a factory or an industrial estate, there is an industrial function to the town. And you'll see this here. There's an industrial estate, and I'll be doing this next week with OS maps. Every town has a residential function because there are housing estates in it, and that is shown by the grey area here. Right, transport. Every town today has a transport function. And how do you see it? Road, rail, airports or ports will show you that. So every town will have roads going into it. Okay, the orange is a regional road, there's a motorway, there's the railway track there. The red dot there on that black line represents the railway station. Many towns have tourist and recreation. The function of tourism and recreation, how do we see it? A caravan park, tourist information office, hostels, campsite, golf course and sports ground. Okay, those symbols on the maps, for example, we saw it there, I can't remember which one was it. The eye represents a tourist information. Now there's other symbols on maps which will tell you other, the golf course is, look, we'll be doing this in class next week. I just can't see it there. There's your golf course, sorry, it's that symbol. A viewing point is another thing to tell you that there is a tourist function to the town. So the homework was just to write out the function and then to show where do you find the evidence on the map. Okay, Slán.